Namaskaram to all. I am Sadhana studying 8th standard in Kadalur Vishavidya. Astronaut suits in modern science. What is inside the astronaut suit? In this video, we are going to see what are the equipments are there in the astronaut suit. First of all, let us see what is a spacesuit. It is the protection from the dangers of space to astronauts like a miniature spaceship. Spacesuit is made to recreate the conditions on Earth for astronauts. Spacewalking astronauts face radiation, dust, debris and extreme temperature like cold as minus 250 degree Fahrenheit to hot as 250 degree Fahrenheit. This suit might protect from that. First one is a cooling garment. The first piece of a spacesuit that astronauts put on is a special cooling garment made of a stretchy spandex material and water tube. The 300 feet of tube circulate the chilled water through the tubes near the spacewalker's skin to regulate the body temperature and remove extra heat during the spacewalk. The vent garment draws sweat away from the astronaut body and help with circulation inside the spacesuit garment. Hard upper torso. It is lightweight but strong and connects the inside of the suit with portable life support system. The lower torso. The lower section of the suit is made up of spacesuit pants, boots and the waist closure which help the astronaut to move and turn. And also the newly introduced joint interface that allow bending and rotating at hips, bending at the knees and hiking style boots. With this, astronaut will able to walk on the lunar surface instead of doing the bunny hop. The gloves. Astronaut must be able to work with and pick up objects while wearing the spacesuit gloves. The fingers get very cold in space and the gloves on the spacesuit are equipped with heaters to keep the fingers warm and allow dexterity to use tools. The helmets. The helmets on the spacesuit built for spacewalks serves as a pressure bubble and made of strong plastic to keep the pressure of the suit contained. It also has a ventilation system that provides astronauts with oxygen. The helmet has a straw to drink water and also contain a small foam can use to scratch their nose. Outside of this bubble is a protective visor that keeps the pressure bubble from getting bumped or scratched. On top of the protective visor are the sun visor and sunshade. The sun visor has a special gold coating that works like an astronaut sunglass. The sun visor and sunshades protect the astronaut from the strong sun rays and allows a clear visual field. It also has a couple of lamps to work in the dark. The layers of the suit. The flexible parts of the suit are made as 16 layers of material. They perform different functions from keeping oxygen within the spacesuit to protecting from the space dust. Closest to the astronaut's skin is the cooling garment make up the first 3 layers. On top of this garment is the bladder layer that is filled with gas to create proper pressure for the body and holds in the oxygen for the breathing. The next layer holds the bladder layer to correct shape around the astronaut's body. The ripstop liner is a tear resistant layer. The next several layers are insulation and act like a thermos to help and maintain the temperature inside the suit. The white outer layer reflects heat from the sunlight and made of fabric that blend 3 kind of threads that are water resistant, bulletproof vest and fire resistant. The communication system. The speakers and the multiple embedded voice activated microphones that automatically pick up the astronaut voice are mounted inside the helmet area. These are connected to the radio on the spacesuit and enables the astronaut to talk to other crew members and mission control. The backpack, the life pack. This backpack contains the oxygen that astronauts breathe, a fan in that circulates the oxygen through the suit where the carbon dioxide that astronauts exhale is removed from the suit. The backpack also contains water for the cooling airman, a chiller to cool the water, and a pump that circulates the chilled water. A regulator in the backpack keeps the suit at a correct pressure. The backpack provides electricity for the suit and holds a two-way radio for the communication. Thank you.